Hello friends, welcome to this channel that provides you with short videos with different features and useful tips on Microsoft Excel. Many of us would like to work with applications in dark mode, and no different is our experience with Microsoft Office Excel. Many of us love to see the application in dark mode, and this tiny video tutorial will help us all understand how we can configure the application for us to work in the dark mode. The first two steps would be navigate and select the File tab, and then select the submenu Options from it. Let us move to the last steps, which are steps number 3 and 4. Navigate to General tab and move to the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section. After that, now let us navigate to Office Theme, drop down list and select blank to complete your activity. Friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our video if you like it. Thank you.